adoring crowd wave back. You are never going to see them again. No, you will. So with my birthday helpers, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you with the words that Harry first heard when he arrived at the castle. Welcome to Hogwarts. Give it a lovely push for me, guys. Push. Nice and gently. That's it. Round of applause. Happy birthday. Come on.
There's a limit to what you can achieve stage space. So there's a certain point at which we decide to go into a bit of full CG character. So each character has their own CG version.
The amount of shots we did and
for fighting with the wand known as wand combat. So now let's try move number 1. Start with the knees bent, body nice and straight. Bring the arm above the head, the clean curve, the wand aimed directly at the enemy. Bring the wand forward of the head and whip it back. Now let's see you try. So now let's try move number 2. Turn your body to the left, bringing the right side through on a flat plane to the enemy. And now let's see you try that. And now let's try move number 3. Stay low, bring your left side across and your left arm to protect your center. Keep your eye on the target at all times. And now, let's see you try that.
Do you want to go first or you want me to go first?
I'll go. This controls the heating under the seats on the side of the compartment and electrical heating under all seats. Look at the alarm thing. I can't get any pictures.
I can't either.
Were you able to get that? So these are the different things. Huh? Oh, this is cool. Oh shit. I have a lot of things to do right now.
Yeah, but unless then you get some weirdo.
Goblet of fire. Goblet of fire.
Oh Jesus Christ, this camera.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Full?
Fuck this. I'm getting pissed off. I hate this fucking camera. It's a fucking piece of fucking shit. Can you imagine how much mess they made?
Here's copies of the cover right there.
What's that?
Which one is this one? Half-Blood?
Yeah.
Who's that girl? That's Luna. For draft 3 ventilation.
Plan and elevation, give that to the draftsman and the illustrator. And then as soon as the drawing is far enough advanced, the white card model is also produced. So the white card model and the illustration are the tools that are used for the conversation with the director. Ultimately, the end product are construction drawings, blueprints for the sets that we build.
And look at all the things I could have done.
Those blueprints then go to the construction manager, Paul Hayes. At one time we were
is half giant, but Robbie Coltrane, the actor who played him, isn't. So in order to have Hagrid appear enormous next to the enormous size casting camera, without the use of computer effects, we created this incredibly realistic silicone animatronic head. It has real hair, believable plastic eyes, and an incredible array of tiny machinery inside, which can be controlled off camera. And if we got it right, if you never tweaked it, this Hagrid was really this machine. The animatronics team fit their machines into figures large and
And Mum, that is Lord Voldemort, the puppet. Mum, look. Oh, that moves. Press that button, it moves. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, look, his chest going up and down.
Working. No batteries? Down? For this scene, we needed a 40-foot dragon to thrash about in a cage, and John Richardson's special effects team provided the fire.
When John rigged something, you'd best stand well back. He rigged the dragon with a flamethrower and threw balls of wood.
I had a feather specialist working for months with people, making sure each single feather had the right bend, the right colour, the right shape, and each one had to be individually inserted in exactly the right spot on the tree.
And the machinery inside looks like it was built by NASA. It's ridiculously complicated and requires many people and a computer to operate all of the various components individually to create a synchronized movement.
They say you must always bow to a hippogriff, otherwise it'll tear you apart. One of the funniest things I've ever seen was a group of VIP visitors when they came and saw the hippogriff. They bowed, so it bowed back. So they bowed, so it bowed back. And this went on for several minutes until finally a woman said, "Please make him stop. Protocol demands we keep bowing." It's so funny, I had tears rolling down my face. Now, before we go, I'd like to share with you the real secret behind all of the magic of the creature shop.
Oh, that's lovely.